Hello, my friends. Here's Marcelo Torres with one more video analysis for you guys, an offer from TradeWiser. Before we start, I just want to let you guys know a few new things right here. If you guys recall that on the past I used to do a circle, and when it was going up, when the indicator was totally going up, it was green. When the indicator was totally going down, it was red. And when there was a conflict inside the indicator with the line going on the direction, a histogram going to another direction, it was a black circle. And then it came to a gray background, and now it's yellow. Why is that? The gray background wasn't um, giving me a calling my attention. Okay, so now it's yellow. Definitely now it is calling. It's like a traffic light. You have the green, go forward. You have the red saying stop, it's going down, and you say the yellow saying hey, pay attention. All right, just want to let you guys know that, and you guys must notice as well that the background of my chart is now white again. And why is that? I don't have any trend indication on the background anymore. What did I do? The Bollinger Band, it used to have just this blue color, blue very light color, and it was just the color of the Bollinger Band. There was no use for it. So now I gave it a use. Now I put the trend indication in it. So now we have three indicators. Here it goes. One is from the buy sell trend, which is the green background bar you can see, and that one says that the short term trend is positive. On the right side chart, we have the Bollinger Band giving us the mid-term trend, and the left chart you can see that the Bollinger Band gives me the long-term trend. It's nice because with the short term we know it's just now what the prices are doing. On the mid, it says what it's going to do, and on the long term it says what the price should expect. Okay, so for instance, for the long term we see that the price should expect high. For the short term, it should go down because it might be doing a reversal, as we're going to see here. And on the long term, it is going up. Why? Because the mid is doing a bottom reversal, and the point of it is the short term, which is going up. So now we have three views in just one trading system without having to touch anything or getting close. It's just right there on your eyes. Okay, so let's start our analysis for today. Before that, just want to let you guys know that my analysis is already available on all my social networks, and there's something new here as well. I separate the Telegram for the Portuguese and for the English. Okay, this way you guys that prefer the English don't have to see the Portuguese post, especially because I post also the Ibovespa stock market from Brazil, which might not be of your interest. So now we and the Portuguese guys, they won't have to see the same analysis but in English. So I separate these channels. So now you have a Portuguese channel and the English channel. The same way we do have that on the YouTube and TradingView. Okay, all other social networks are mixed, but that's okay because you guys focus on the Telegram is for us to talk a lot quick and fast. A flash talk, a flash analysis. That's what happened this weekend. Okay, and reminding you guys that my disclaimer says that my opinion is just my opinion. Okay, it's not a investment indication. Going back to you guys, here we go. We have the 1 hour chart, which says that we are having a bottom reversal. Why is that? Because we have the negative volume wave fading. We have for 2 bars in a row or the last 2 hours, we see that the Bitcoin is going up by looking at the MACD histogram. We do see stochastic saying yes, definitely it's going up for 3 hours now, but we see that it's kind of saying I don't know if I'm going to keep on going up because we have the very point of the MACD, the K line, okay? But we also have the relative strength needing to move its consideration. It was saying I was going down, but if you guys see, the histogram is fading. See how we see a curve going on, so it might go up. Okay, let's see if that is really gonna happen. All right. In the meantime, we still see a bottom reversal. Like I said, it's not going up. It's going with the bottom reversal. Okay. The only thing that bothers me is that we do have on the 1 hour chart as well. We have the volume going down while price is going up. This is something which is not so good. All right, we have to see the volume reacting. Otherwise, this bottom reversal for the 1 hour chart might fade. Okay, actually, if you guys look, this is a good signal that the volatility. Here we go on the right top, upper side of the chart trading system. We do see the volatility way going up. That means that there's not enough volume for a lot of spread. Okay, as we can see, the spread is moving up. See, but we don't see a positive money pressure for this move. This is something which is not good. Okay, so we have to keep our eyes on that. If we see on the right side hand here, we do have the moving average, exponential moving average lines. The blue line is the 10 period moving average. So this is the one that is holding the move for now. Let's see how that's going to keep on going. Okay, but notice that the yellow exponential moving average is the one who supported the prices, did not let the prices go way down. Okay, so that is something good, but we have to see the volume reacting. Otherwise, Houston, we will have a problem. Okay, let's move forward. Going for the 4 hour chart. If we see, actually right now we could see that the 4 hour chart is intending to go down. We have a subsequent negative wave being formed. We do have a strong pivot saying yes, it is being formed, which means that the 4 hour chart is going down. The 4 hour window is going down. It is going to end this current 4 window trade in 36 minutes and a half. At 1 p.m. Brazil time, UTC -3, we will have a second candle 4 hour being born. And then let's see how it's going to go from there. In the meantime, we do have on a 4 hour chart the second MACD going negative histogram. And we do have the total MACD going down. So, as I said in the Portuguese version, the 1 hour chart is trying to go with a bottom reversal. Let me go back to you guys. The 1 hour chart wants to go with the bottom reversal. It is 4 candles of 1 hour to have one candle of 4 hours, which means that we have the last 1 hour candle being formed before we have the new 4 hour chart borning. We're going to start everything again on the 1 hour chart. We're going to have 4 bars. So we could see the 1 hour bar going up, meeting it could go up, meeting the the 4-hour candle, and then both of them go down. Okay, so we could have again the 1 hour going up, the, all 4 bars going up, and in the meantime it meets the 4-hour bar, which says yes, everybody's going down. Okay, we won't see a 1-hour bar going up, 1-hour bar going down, 1 hour. Not necessarily we're going to see that. So we have the 4-hour chart might have support of the 1-hour chart to go down, but right now we see the 1-hour bar going up. But since the volume is not good on the 1-hour chart, we might see, yes, the 1-hour chart supporting the 4-hour chart. That's why today we have to keep again a keen eye on the 1-hour chart to see how the 4-hour chart is going to behave. Otherwise, we're going to see the market going down. Okay, so this is it on the 4-hour chart. Not much to say here. Let me see, what else do we have? Pretty much that's it. It's trying to move to change the direction of the money pressure, as you guys can see right here, and the spread price as well. If that happens, it might be a consequence of the 1-hour chart going up and pushing the 4-hour chart with him. Okay, that's it for the 4-hour. For the 1-day chart, what do we have? We have the positive wave fading, as we can see. Let me get the pin. We have the positive wave fading. We do have the pivot saying yes, it is fading, it is going negative. We see the price spread starting to fade, but we still do have money pressure. That is why we do have a good volatility. That's why the volatility is going down, because we have less spread and lots of positive money pressure, which means we have a real trading going on right now. Okay, but as you can see, we do have the relative strength wanting to go down and some doubt on the line of the stochastic, which is not good. But we already have the 2-day bar, negative bar on the MACD. And this is very important when we see this thing going on, especially because we have a divergence going on between the MACD and the prices. Okay, and as you guys see, while the prices go up, the volume goes down. This is not a good situation. Okay, considering that we are at 25 to 30 days from the Bitcoin halving, we might start seeing the market fading. Let's see how that's going to go. As you guys can see, let me take off these markers here, yellow markers. I don't want to increase here the one out. See how the Bollinger Band is starting to get straight. Okay, it is starting to get straight. It might keep on going this way, and hopefully I'll be able to project with a certain precise level to which direction it should go. My opinion, it's going to go down because of the halving. So let's see how that's going to work out. Okay, for now, we have to keep our eyes on the 1-hour chart. Going to the 1 week, we still have the bottom reversal going nice and neat. We have the formation of the positive volume wave. We do have support from the pivot. We do have support from the spread, but we don't have support from the money pressure, which is giving us volatility. Here we go. Okay, watch out on that. We do have stochastic saying we're going up, nice and neat with the MACD. So we do have the continuation of bottom reversal. Again, folks, again, we still have the volume going down. while the price is going up. This is not a good thing. All right. Everything makes me believe that we might see prices going down pre-halving. Okay, that's it. 1 month, it is going down. It is moving down because uh, we have forces saying that halving is the deal. All right. So going back to you guys, here we go. 1 hour chart, 15 minutes analysis. We're good for today. And keep an eye on the 1 hour chart to see if it's going to be able to hold the 4 hour chart from going down. Since we don't have volume on the 1 hour chart, I'm kind of concerned. All right, we might see the Bollinger Band trading up again. Let's go back to the 4 hour. It is starting to open, and I would say that if it keeps on going on this direction, we might see. Let me see. It's still early to say. It's still early to say, but maybe an hour ago, I would say that the Bollinger Band would open going down, as you guys can see here on the right side, the chart from the right side. I would say that it would go down, but considering the moves that I'm seeing on the money pressure, on the spread price, and the I'm gonna open this. See that we have a very thin green line here, a very light green line here. See, this is the price. Okay, this is the price. So the price is starting to go up. So maybe we can see a reversal on the on the short-term trend. Okay, so I need more time to be able to say that it is gonna straight the Bollinger Band and then go up. All right, for now that's it, folks. Can I 1 hour chart to see if it's gonna hold a 4 hour chart? Otherwise, it is going down. All right, with this analysis on hand, with the trading going on, now it's show time. Take care, folks.